I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Transferring your eSIM to a new device can seem tricky, but it is a straightforward process if you follow these steps. Step 1. Check device compatibility. Before activation, use the eSROC.com link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 2. Backup your current eSIM. Before transferring, backup your current eSIM settings. Go to your device's settings and look for the eSIM management section to save your profile. Step 3. Request eSIM transfer. Contact Freedom 2026 customer support or use the app to request an eSIM transfer. You may need to provide your account details and the email of your new device. Step 4. Scan the QR code. Once your request is processed, you will receive a QR code via email or SMS. Open the eSIM settings on your new device and scan the QR code to activate your eSIM. Step 5. Confirm activation. After scanning the QR code, confirm that your eSIM is active by checking the cellular settings on your new device. You should see your plan listed. If not, restart your device. Remember, if you encounter issues during activation, double-check that the QR code was scanned correctly and that your new device is connected to Wi-Fi. Happy transferring!